Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Dear student, before starting the lesson, you must have with you grade 7 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. You can also download this resource pack from Cantab Publisher official website. And this is for parents and teachers guidance. We will start our lesson from unit number 1, Justice, Peace and Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. SLOs of this lesson are: choose appropriate word definition and identify part of speech of a word through abbreviation used. Look at synonyms in children's thesaurus. Thesaurus means dictionary. Now look at the page number 9 of your textbook. We have a vocabulary section here. See what it says. Find the meaning of the following words from the dictionary and identify the part of speech of the word through abbreviation used. Let me tell you what is an abbreviation. When we write words in a short form, we call it an abbreviation form. Like how? Let me give you an example. This is the word April, and we will write this word like this in abbreviation form, in a short form like this. Let me give you another example. Number. We will write this in a short form like this. Yes, I hope you have learned all the parts of speech in your previous classes too. So let's take a look and discuss parts of speech in this lesson. First, we will discuss noun. What is noun? A noun names a person, place, thing or item. Like we have some examples here. Dog is an animal, cat, horse, student, teacher, apple, Mary, etc. Place can be Lahore, Karachi, London. Idea can be joy, hate. Now look at the adverb. What is adverb here? An adverb tells how often, how, when, where. It can describe a verb, an adjective or an adverb. Examples are loudly, always, never, late, soon, etc. Let me give you example in form of sentence. He speaks loudly. Here, the adverb is loudly and speaks is a verb. Here, the adverb loudly is modifying and telling you more about the action speak. That how it's done, how the speaking is done. Speaking is done loudly. Look at this one, always. She always make our breakfast. Here the always is an adverb and make is a verb here. So it is telling you when, how, where the actions are done and how often. Here the always to the adverb of here often. How often the verb is done. Now look at the verb here. A verb is a word or group of words that describes an action or experience. Examples are realize, walk, see, look, sing, sit, listen, etc. Here, actions are physical movement in which we actually physically move, like walk, sit, sing. And experience is like We don't have any physical movement, action here. Like listen, realize. Now look at the adjectives. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. How? Examples are red, tall, fat, long, short, blue, beautiful, sour, and etc. Let me give you an example in a form of sentence here. She has a blue shirt. Here, the blue is an adjective and shirt is a noun. Here, the blue is modifying, telling you more about the noun shirt. It is modifying or telling you more about the noun shirt here. Here, look at the another example, short. I have short hair. Here, the short is an adjective and hair is noun. Here, the short is an adjective, is modifying the noun here. Adjective can be opinion, size, smell, color, look, quality of a noun. Now look at the preposition. A preposition is used before a noun, pronoun or gerund to show place, time, direction in a sentence. Gerunds mean ing form. When we add ing form to a verb like walk or walking. So, what it shows the direction of things to show place, time in a sentence. Look at the example: at, in, on, about, to, for, from, etc. Let me give you an example. The glass is on the table. Here, on is a preposition. It is referring to the noun glass. It is telling you the direction of a glass of a noun, that it is on the table here. So, we can also say a preposition shows a direction or a relationship between noun and pronoun. It also shows the direction of noun and also show the relationship between the nouns and pronouns. Another example of preposition here. My mother is waiting at the airport. Here, at is a preposition and mother is a noun and the airport is also a noun. So here, it is at is referring this noun. The mother is waiting to airport, to this noun. So we have a bridge, we have a connection, we have a bridge, or we have a source of direction here, which is showing where the things are. Look at the conjunctions. Conjunctions join words or groups of words in a sentence. For example, and, because, yet, therefore, moreover, since, or so, until, but, and etc. Let me give you an example. I ordered pizza because I was hungry. Here we have two sentences, two simple sentences. Subject, verb and object. I ordered pizza. But here we have another simple sentence too. And we are joining these sentences together by adding an conjunction between them because these two sentences are related to each other. Now look at the pronouns. Pronoun replace the name of a person, place, thing or idea in a sentence. For example, he, she, it, we, they, him, her, this, that, and etc. We also use pronouns to avoid the repetition. For example, she has a soft voice. This is my laptop. So here, she is a pronoun. In the second one, this is a pronoun. Now look at the interjection here. Interjections express strong emotions and is often followed by an exclamation point. Like bravo, well, aha, hooray, yeah, oops, phew. These are the emotions of joy, opinion, happiness, anger, hate. There are many. Don't forget to put exclamation mark when you use interjection. Let me give you an example. Oops, I hurt my knees. Here, the person is feeling painful. He's painful and he is expressing his expression of pain. So this is an emotion and we have added exclamation mark too because this is a strong emotion. He's expressing his emotion, expressing his pain. So students, what you need to do, you have to open your dictionary and find these words, the meaning of these words in your thesaurus, in your dictionary, and you will find an entry like this. Here, if the word is a verb, there will be given a short form, an abbreviation form of verb like this. It shows that this word is a verb. Create, crowd, difficulty is a noun here. Efficiently is an adverb. These are all the abbreviation form, the parts of speech which we have discussed. And you need to identify which part of speech is this. Now look at the second essay law of this lesson. Look at synonyms in children's thesaurus. First we will discuss synonyms. Let's have a look here. What are the synonyms? Synonyms are words that have the same meaning. They are different words, different spellings, but they are almost or nearly have the same meaning. Look at the examples here. There is a word bad here. Synonyms, what will be the words which have the same meaning as bad? So, for the word bad, we have 3 synonyms here. You can find more in your dictionary. Awful, terrible, horrible. Look at the second one, good. Fine, excellent, great. These 3 words are the synonym of the word good here because they have the same meaning here. Look at the hot, burning, fiery, boiling. Cold, chilly, freezing, frosty. Easy, simple, effortless, straightforward. Hard, difficult, challenging, tough. Big, large, huge, giant. Small, tiny, little, mini. But always remember that we use these words, the synonyms of the word, all these words, it depends upon a situation, in which situation we are using the word. Because for every situation, there is a suitable word for it. You have to choose the right one. Now look at the page number 9 in your textbook, section B. Consult a thesaurus and find out the synonyms of the following words. You have to open your dictionary and you need to find these words, the meaning of these words, and you have to find other words which have the same meanings as these words. For each word, you have to find their synonyms which have the same meaning as these. It's your homework from your textbook, page number 4. Dear students, what you need to do, you have to underline all the parts of speech which we have discussed in this lesson. How you will underline it? All the parts of speech. If, for example, justice is a noun, you have to write "and" here to indicate, to refer that it is a noun here. So you have to write in an abbreviation form. Underline it and write on it in an abbreviation form. So it will show that which part of speech is this. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.